This aggressiveness in the fire turkey dates back over 40 million years from when the first recorded bones of a turkey known as Oppenheimer Melchior was found. This bone skeleton structure was found in the wild wastelands of Borneo.
All right.
In 1957.
All right. I think we've had enough. That's enough. That's enough for today. I think we've quite fulfilled that. Right. Thank you, Mr. Expert. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Right. I have more to say.
No, that's all right. No, that's.
The last time I saw the fire turkeys, they were flying over the house. They were coming down then. They were humongous. I never saw anything like it before in my life. They were scary. They burned the plants. They burned the trees. They did nothing but just come down and down and down and down. It scared me to death. And they go for anything half dead or totally dead. They're just ugly. They were eating filth and garbage and just, they sounded like turkey vultures, just, just at night, late at night, they just would drive you crazy. What are they eating in that creek? What are they eating? Just dead alligators or people?
Right. Right now, what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to make the fire turkey's mating call of the female fire turkey in hopes of attracting one of the male fire turkeys who's in season now and wants to lay his seed in the female. Here we go. Right. Do you hear anything?
I heard something.
Right, there it is. Right. There, I found it.
What?
I found what? It's in here somewhere. What? In the bushes, it's here. What?
Here.
I'm heading off. I think I found it.
What's my king?
You okay?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Wait. Where's Horace? Right. Well, I'm sure he's quite on his way to finding the turkey. So, we're just going to go in the opposite direction then, and hope we find something that way. Right this way.
Okay.
Oh, a nest. Be careful. Through here.
Okay.
Right, be careful. Oh, be careful. Where are we? Oh, there. Oh, it's just a cat. It's a cat, Bobby, don't worry.
Oh, okay. Should we film it?
What? No, it's not a turkey, it's a cat.
Okay.
God's sake, I want to tell you everything. Ooh.
Well, like nature videos always do that.
Shut up. No, film them.
Okay.
Whoa. Wait, I hear something.
Okay.
Follow me. Right. There's something in the bushes. Oh! Not so close. Oh. Right. Did you see something? I thought I saw something in the bushes over there.
It's quite.
Wait, I hear something. I think it's a turkey. Let's move. It's the turkey. I see a turkey. That is. Get it.
I've got the turkey. Oh my God. I've got. I found the turkey. Ow, ow, ow. Get off. Oh, found quick. Oh,
Horace.
Reginald.
Got away.
Gone.
It's got away.
It's gone.
Gone.
Ew. Well,
Had it in my grasp.
I felt it. I was holding it.
Yeah, I was hitting it
It was
with my
something that it was attacking me. I felt it. I have the marks all over me.
Really? Amazing.
Well, it appears that we found the great northern fire turkey.
Right.
Right. Mission successful. And now, here we are back at home, enjoying some fine brandy
Excellent, Brandy.
and yes, and the company of our wonderful little cat, Muffy. There, Muffy.
Muffy is my favorite cat.
He's a wonderful cat. But now we can sit back and relax. And here, among the safeties and comforts of civilization, we can ponder the things we've learned and the memories we've shared on this expedition of the great northern fire turkey.
On this journey through the forests to find the turkeys, we encountered many dangers, many
Yes,
thrills.
many dangers.
Quiet, Horace, I'm telling the story.
Right.
Now, first we explored through the forests, we went to the creek, we heard noises, and then we found the nest. Now, the nest posed great danger, so we were forced to
Great
run.
danger. I remember why my leg...
Horace! Now,
Sorry.
the great danger we faced, we overcome, and eventually we found the turkey. We had a complete success.
And so we bring you to the end of another great adventure, accomplished vigorously and recorded in the annals of hunting nature.
And so, we bid you good night.
Good night and adieu. Amazing, wonderful, wonderful, stunning. This is a rare find we have here. Carry on. Oh, God. Oh, my leg. I can't feel it. Help me up. Help me up. Oh, Mommy, help.
Good kid.
Good muffin.
I love cats.
I love to eat cats. Muffin.